Hi everyone. I'm excited to show you around our latest feature, meeting templates. They're here to ensure your summaries and your AI knows exactly what it is you expect and need from your summaries so that they are customized to your specific meeting types. Now, let's get started. Simply open your preferences and select meeting templates. Now, you'll see that first and foremost, you have a template that applies by default to all of your meetings. So you can give it a generic context. So that's about the context. You can of course decide on the language of the summary, affect the formatting of the blocks that we add by default, and of course add any block that you'd like or create your own. Now, you'll notice here that in the context, we've provided essentially 6,000 characters. You can put in whatever you'd like, whatever you think the AI needs to know, your goal, your role, your preferences, and even terminology. In this case, I made sure my AI knows how to spell TimeOS correctly. Now, this will be applied by default, and that's great, but there are plenty of meetings that need a very specific template. So I'm going to click on Add Template, and in this case, I will start with the team sync because we have one tomorrow. Immediately, the title is preset. Of course, you can change it. And here you see that we have automation enabled. What you can do is input any words here, rather any one sentence. It can be one word, it can be many, and we will proactively look for your calendar events that are upcoming and assign this template whenever an event title contains the words you've inputted. For example, daily or daily sync, something like that. So I will put the word daily and it will apply itself automatically. We also provide sort of a baseline context, what we believe is most important about a team sync, but of course treat this as a suggestion. And finally, we have prepared a list of custom blocks, which we believe would apply best to every type of meeting, in this case, a team sync. It will start with a very quick overview or TLDR, followed by individual updates, a summary of key decision, any changes in priority, which is very important for me to know, any challenges and blockers raised by team members, and finally action items. Now, just like with the context, these come pre-filled, but you are more than welcome to change them, customize them so that you get exactly what you need from your AI, from your summary, from your action items. This is just a baseline and a suggestion. And you can see that we've added quite a bit of ready-made templates. Of course, you can simply create your own from scratch, but we hope that these templates provide with a quick way to get started. And you can see that there are a few internal types of meetings, a couple of sales-oriented meetings, a bunch of HR-related meetings, and then several customer success-related meetings. So feel free to explore those, have fun. We really hope that this feature will help bring the most out of your summaries and your action items. A few other things that you can do. First, you can delete, but of course also duplicate your templates. So that's straightforward. If I click on duplicate, it will simply create a copy. Note that the automation rule must be unique. Now, what if I don't really want to enable automation? What if I prefer to start assigning templates to very specific meetings where the AI is meant to join? Well, it's very simple. I'm going to close this down and open the TimeOS calendar. For example, tomorrow I have a one-on-one with Reut, our head of magic and customer success. I'll simply click on it and apply the one-on-one sync. That's it. This template will now be applied to that meeting. If I get my summary and maybe I realize that I actually have a better template to apply or I want to make some changes, first I can simply make changes to the existing templates and regenerate the summary, and it will take these changes into account. Alternatively, after the fact, I can very simply select a different template. In the future, we are very much hoping to provide an autopilot feature which would allow the AI to proactively look at the meetings that you have, their content, their title, their agenda, and smartly and automatically match existing templates to meeting without requiring automation rules and without requiring any manual effort.